Akenya miena itiganite guku bururi-ini magitanya kuroka gucuka miti muthenya wa rucio. Komishoni ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ni iraniire ati meharĩria ma mihang'o ino ni marikiriire na kuna ati ugitiri wa gikiro kia iguru ni mwikirire. Akiaria ri mihang'o-ini ya guthurima meharĩria maya mwena wa Kasipul, muikarĩri giti wa IEBC Erastus Edung augite ati ni maratanya namba nene ya aikia akura kwiyumiria na kumerera ati ni matacoketie makinya ma gutigirira ati kuri na ugitiri wa kuigana.
We hope that the citizens will come out in large numbers because there's nothing to fear. The place will be peaceful. We expect them to come and vote. And so we expect the turnout to be very high.
Oho no arutete mikana kuri aria mekunyitikana makiuna watho wa ithurano, akiuga ni megutacokirio ikinya rihio ria kiwatho.
The commission still has the mechanisms to take action against any reported electoral malpractice. The Elections Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee is in place and it will remain active until we complete the elections and until the candidates who win successfully are sworn in.
No oritie aria makaga kuiganira na maumirira ma ithurano ici kurumirira makinya ma watho makigeria kuheana mateta mao ende ti gucugira ngui.
And the mechanism within which you can approach that committee is when you have a complaint, don't complain on social media, don't complain in other media. Don't lament in your house and expect IEBC to take action.
Oreti aria magakorwo makinyita itemi ceceni-ini cia gutarira kura gwithema na maundu maria mangithararia mihang'o eno.
We expect decorum, we expect decency, we expect respect. They have to respect that space because it's a gazetted space, it's a protected space. So we don't expect anybody to show up with goons or with truckloads of supporters with the objective of coming to disrupt the tallying process.
Gerifotera Inoro TV. Getago Francis Garoya.